Creme Fraiche is a delicious cultured sour cream, and this is a way to make it. I added 500 milliliters of high-fat cream to a sterilized mason jar and stirred in 60 milliliters of fresh buttermilk with live buttermilk culture to inoculate the cream and turn it into creme fraiche. I covered the jar with a coffee filter and the threaded part of the canning jar lid and left the jar in a warm place to incubate. This is a live culture, so the coffee filter allows the bacteria to grow and helps to stop most everything else from getting in. The longer the cream is left to incubate, the more tart and tangy it becomes. I left this batch for 24 hours and the cream thickened up and had a fresh, tangy smell and taste. I covered the creme fraiche with a lid and left it in the fridge to mature for another 24 hours. The next day the creme fraiche has a beautifully thick texture and refined tangy flavor. Creme fraiche is perishable and should be stored in an airtight container in the fridge and used up within 3 or 4 days.